Are you an allergy or asthma sufferer who loves to travel? Don't let your condition hold you back. Today we're sharing essential tips to make your journeys comfortable and enjoyable. Let's dive in. First things first, know your triggers. Whether it's pollen, dust, or something else, understanding what affects you is key to managing symptoms on the road. Pack smart. Always carry your medication, including emergency inhalers. Consider a travel-sized air purifier and hypoallergenic pillowcases to keep allergens at bay. Accommodation matters. Opt for allergy-friendly hotels that offer air purifiers and are smoke-free. Don't hesitate to inquire about their cleaning practices. When flying, hydration is key. Drink plenty of water to keep your airways moist. Also, bring your own blanket and pillow for added comfort and allergen control. Eating out? Research restaurants in advance and communicate your allergies to the staff. Always carry snacks that are safe for you, just in case. Love the outdoors? Check the pollen count and air quality index before heading out. Wearing a mask can also help filter out allergens. Be prepared for emergencies. Know the location of the nearest healthcare facility at your destination, and carry a medical alert card with your condition and emergency contact information. Stay informed. Use apps to monitor pollen levels and weather conditions that might impact your allergies or asthma. But don't let these numbers hold your plans back. The best travel-sized portable air purifier on the market, a patented technology leading the clean air revolution, is Harry Hats. It is a novel filtration system seamlessly integrated into a baseball hat that provides clean air on the go. Harry Hats is rechargeable, lightweight, and easy to operate and maintain. It can be adjusted to the user's comfort with 3 fan speeds and interchangeable filter types depending on pollution level. A waterproof sweatband safeguards the hardware from sweat, making it perfect for athletes or outdoor enthusiasts. Passive foam technology cancels vibration and reduces noise for a comfortable experience. Basically, Harry Hats helps you breathe better, be better. Head over to harryhats.com to learn more and order now. Most importantly, relax and enjoy your trip. With a bit of planning and these tips, you can have a wonderful and symptom-free travel experience. Remember, traveling with allergies or asthma doesn't have to be stressful. With the right preparations, the world is yours to explore. Safe travels, and don't forget to breathe easy. For more tips and travel health advice, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for updates.